Beloved South Africans, this is Mandisa Mthembu, President of the Reformed Government of South Africa. Today, I'm introducing the Children and Youth Social Wellbeing Policy 2025. In South Africa, over the past decades, there have been an increasing concerns on suicides of children younger than the age of 15 years every week due to what is believed to have been depression and or desperation arising out of bullying at schools or social media. While drug substance and alcohol abuse among young people is a complex and growing problem, fueled by the mix of social economic status, emotional instability, low self-esteem, and growing up in a hopeless and unjust country. The issue of drugs affects youth both in urban and rural areas across all South African races because of easy access to illicit drugs and substances in local communities. The driving factors of drug and substance abuse among South African young people come from deep-rooted frustration due to being excluded in economic activities, unemployment, poverty, childhood trauma related to living in communities with low moral values and standards. This leads to emotional instability, which causes hopelessness, anxiety, depression, low self-esteem. In this case, the use of substance is the only option for young people to cope. Our children in South Africa are born into cycles of dysfunction, trauma, and behavioral problems due to the harsh and toxic environment they are subjected to. Some of the mental disorder our children and young people are battling with are bullying and cyberbullying, autistic spectrum disorder, psychotic disorder, eating disorder, self-injury and suicidal thoughts and attempts, hookah pipes, and drug abuse. In order for us to address the issues of children and young people, we must deal with the roots of their problems, which is increasing communication and emotional well-being awareness, providing support, positive environments which nourishes individuality, build confidence in children and young people, and addressing systematic issues like seclusion, poverty, unemployment, inequality, and youth inclusion programs, and participating in active citizenship. The Children and Youth Social Wellbeing Policy, a foundational mandate of the newly formed Department of Youth and Wellbeing. The key purpose of this policy is to address the challenges children and young people face on a daily basis in our country. Key strategies include encouraging positivity, healthy young minds, openness and self-realization, creating a non-judgmental dialogue and self-expression, teaching problem-solving skills to young people, instilling moral values such as honesty, compassion, and integrity, and investing in early intervention involving mental health and care services and awareness in all South African schools and all our communities. This means that psychological support and counseling will be available in all schools in all 9 provinces. Helping for complex personal issues will be established to extend help to people suffering from family trauma, emotional disorders, and substance abuse for children, young people, and their parents. The government will allocate resources to early intervention and prevention strategies, especially for mental health and childhood trauma. ensuring that service for child protection, family support, and welfare are well resourced and work together effectively while educating communities on preventative health measures and how to create a positive environment for our children and young people. Our children must know that right comes with responsibilities, and a healthy, positive, sharp mind breeds great future leaders. South African children must be loved, nourished, trained in discipline, protected, preserved, because they are the future of this country. The Children and Youth Social Wellbeing Policy comes into effect today on 24th November 2025. Our children, our future, our heritage, our reflection. Preserve them, protect them, love them, motivate them, support them. May the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the King of the nation, preserve our children from all evil. I thank you.